Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we're showing you a new luxury development that's taking place. Now the development is the white buildings at the back. The buildings at the front, the brownish looking buildings, that's the Ocho Rios Country Club. But the one that's under construction is those white buildings at the back. And you actually access this development from the main road when you are when you're entering Ocho Rios. When you come out of Fern Gully, on the right is where they are starting the development. So the development starts at the main road and goes all the way back here. We're going to show you the other part now. Now, we don't have much details on this development because it's new, but the name of it, I think, is Happy Grove. So guys, I'm asking you guys, if anybody has any information on this development, let us know. Okay, this is where you enter the development now. That's the main road on the left that takes you into Ocho Rios, from Fern Gully into Ocho Rios. And then this is the front of the or the entrance to the development. Then you drive up the hill and you go to the back where you have the white houses. So it looks like they developed the back first and then now they're developing the front. So you drive up and go around to it. Alright guys, we're just showing you what's going on. We will get more information on this development and give you in an updated video. But if anybody knows about this development, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.